Hello, crypto enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of Bitcoin mining. Let's decode the bits and bytes. First up, let's look at how Bitcoin secures its network. At its core, Bitcoin uses a consensus mechanism called proof of work. In proof of work, miners compete to solve complex mathematical puzzles. The first one to solve it gets to add a block to the blockchain and earn rewards. It's like a cryptographic lottery. Now there's another popular mechanism, proof of stake or POS. Instead of using computational power, POS validators are chosen based on the number of coins they hold and are willing to stake or lock up as collateral. Both have their merits. While POW provides robust security, POS is seen as energy efficient. But today, we're all about the mining, so onward. Now, mining on your own can be like looking for a needle in a haystack. Enter mining pools. Miners team up in a pool to combine their computational power. When the pool finds a block, rewards are split among members based on their contributed power. It's teamwork making the Bitcoin dream work. Mining requires computational power, and power requires, well, power. There's no denying that Bitcoin mining consumes a lot of energy. Critics argue this has a significant carbon footprint. However, many miners are now turning to renewable energy sources, and the industry as a whole is working towards sustainable solutions. Solar, wind, and even hydroelectric power are all being harnessed to keep those digital coins flowing while being kinder to Mother Earth. Lastly, let's talk hardware. ASICs, or application-specific integrated circuits, are the rock stars of the mining world. Unlike your everyday computer, ASICs are designed for one purpose and one purpose only: mining. They're super efficient, but that specialization means they're not useful for much else. This efficiency has led to the rise of massive mining farms, making it challenging for solo miners with regular computers to compete. So, whether you're diving into the mines or just hodling from the sidelines, it's always good to know how the digital gold is unearthed. If you enjoyed this deep dive, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Until next time.